Maddie's back with some weight loss tips and tricks for you. Today, I'm gonna be going over what is the best diet for you. Now, this is a question I get asked all the time, multiple times a day, because there is just so much information out there, you've got no idea where to start. Mostly because, number one, you have to decipher between what's true and what's false, like what's actually science-based and what's gonna work, versus what's a scam, what's a money grab, right? What's a get fit quick scheme. You have to decipher between those two. Then once you work your way and find out what's actually true, then you have to make sure that you're doing something that's gonna actually work for you specifically, right? Your lifestyle, your body type, what you can handle, and all of that. So it's a very slippery slope to get overwhelmed very quickly. So I wanna take away that overwhelm today. I wanna give you some simple tips and tricks to figure out which diet is gonna be the best for you and the most long-lasting results for you, okay? So first thing I'm gonna do is ask you a couple questions. So question number one is, what is your weight goal? Say it out loud. What is the number that you would be most comfortable at? Now, next question. What is the biggest problem stopping you from getting to that weight goal? Say it out loud. Think about it. Now, the next question. What is the worst habit you have that is keeping you stuck at your current weight now? Say it out loud. Now, once you have these answers, you know exactly where you need to focus and the things that you need to fix in order to get to your goal. Okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this new information you have and you're gonna read and research and go on websites and listen to videos, and you're gonna look for the diet that speaks to your soul. The diet that resonates with you, where when you read it or you hear about it, you're like, oh my God, that sounds like it was made exactly for me. You have to go and find exactly what you're looking for and what you need help fixing. If it doesn't target you, if it doesn't resonate with you, or it doesn't have specifically what you're looking for and what you need help with, then you need to move on and go find something else. Just because it is popular, just because it works for a celebrity or it works for your friend, doesn't mean you should try it. Okay, if it doesn't speak to you, if it's not specifically targeting the areas that you need help with and promising the desired result that you are super excited about, then you have to move on. You're going to waste your time. It is not going to stick. It is not going to be enjoyable. And you're just going to keep being on this cycle and wondering what's wrong with me. When there's nothing wrong with you, you just picked the wrong thing in the first place. So that is the first thing that you're going to need to do, okay? So if you're contemplating a diet right now and it is not like jumping out at you like, oh my God, it said it's gonna do this and that's exactly what I need help with and I need this, just move on to the next one. Go look elsewhere. Save your time, save your money, okay? Now the next step in figuring out what the best diet for you is being honest with yourself, okay? You have to be very honest with yourself with what you're actually willing to do to achieve your goal, and what is the most realistic thing to fit into your lifestyle now. Not the amazing, healthy lifestyle you wish you had and we fantasize about, but your lifestyle right now, because that's the only way that it sticks, okay? So, if you are somebody that loves carbs, guess what? Keto is not for you, because keto is all about cutting out carbs. And then when you start to reintroduce them because you love them so much, you're gonna blow right back up. Right? So if you love carbs, keto is not where you should be looking, even though it's super popular and it's helped some people, and maybe it's even helped someone you know. If you love carbs, just don't even, why bother? Why bother, right? If you're somebody who loves breakfast and you look forward to breakfast, don't try fasting, right? Fasting is where you skip breakfast and your first meal is lunch. If you enjoy breakfast, just don't even bother with fasting. You're making this harder than it needs to be, right? Pick something that fits into your lifestyle now. If you are a social butterfly, you are always out, restaurants, parties, drinks with the girls, you're always out, don't do something that's gonna make you cut out alcohol, because you're gonna be around it all the time. And that, again, is just not realistic for where you're at right now. I personally love pizza, donuts, cookies, rice, quinoa, fruit. I love carbs, so I would never choose keto just because it's not gonna work for me. And I know that, but we have to be honest with ourselves because we get really excited and caught up in the hype of these new diets, right? It sounds like there's this new weight loss secret discovered every single day by some stranger on the internet, right? And totally, if you're intrigued, look into it. Does it speak to you? Is it specifically designed for your problems and your results? And is it realistic for you to be able to embody that diet into the current lifestyle you have now? That's all you need to know. And if you just do those two things and you keep those two things in mind, you will know within like 5 minutes of hearing about a new diet if it's worth a shot or not, or if you should just save your money, don't waste your time. Because the worst thing you can do is keep choosing the wrong thing for you. Then you're gonna start to think something is wrong with you. Then you're gonna start to lose faith in your goals, and you're eventually gonna give up altogether. And that is not a place where you should be, because once we hit rock bottom, it's very hard, not impossible, but very hard to kind of gain the momentum to get back up. So keep those things in mind and you will be happy, healthy, and you'll be losing weight faster than you have. So thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment down below, give me a thumbs up, turn on that notification button, and of course subscribe so you don't miss another video. I'm Coach Maddie again. I've personally lost over 70 pounds and now I get to help women all over the world lose weight every single day. And if you are looking for a kick in the butt, if you want to get unstuck, or if you're just curious about the Fit Queen way of weight loss, click the link down below in the description and I will see you next time.